What's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the header, main and footer. So until now I grasp the concept of small things so that you can understand. Now the you can I'm going to further depth. So first I'm gonna go to header. So the thing about this is it's called head, but there is something called header. Furthermore, these are just an abstraction way to understand this thing. So header, and you want this line to be inside the head. We do this things because we in that way we can understand which part are where. So as you can see, there is nothing changed here, but these things are important. So and now you think you can add like uh 2019, not 17, 2019, uh, uh, copyright by me. So and you want to put it inside a header. So how are we gonna do that? Just we need a footer, 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 and just put it inside. So in that way you will understand, yeah, that's the last line. After that we won't use anything. And more we have like a main. These are just separation of concerns mainly. What the heck, sorry about that. Main, and just you want to do is just you need to do is just put it inside. See, there is nothing changed, but in that way you can snip element by things. And the concept of classes I'm gonna go to in the CSS tutorials, not here. And that's it. See you guys in the next tutorial.